Hi, this is Brett with Piano Aha, and today we want to name all of the white keys on the piano. The basic principle behind that is, if you can say the English alphabet, then you can say the names of the white keys on the piano. So it's always easier to learn something in terms of something that you can already do. So since you already know the English alphabet, hopefully, only up to G, you don't have to be able to say it all the way to Z, only to G, then you can name all the white keys of the piano. So we'll start at the very bottom. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 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 etc. The same pattern continues. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So now we could, in principle, name any key of the piano. But what if we wanted to name a specific key? For example, this one here. We certainly wouldn't want to start at the beginning and say A, B, C, D, E, F until we finally got up to here and figure out what this note is. So what we are going to need are some points of orientation, and for that we will take the key C. So let's start at the bottom again. A, B, C. You see that this C is right to the left of these two black keys. Turns out that is always the case. So if I find these two black keys, that's where C is. I can find these two black keys, that's where C is. And I can do the same thing for the entire piano. And I find all of the C's. And it turns out that this note, this key here, is also a C. We can understand that by the fact that we have a group of two, a group of three, a group of two, a group of three. And right here we would have another group of two. In fact, you could even see this black piece of wood here as one of those two black keys that would be coming here, and then directly to the left of that we would have the C. So let's return to our example of wanting to name this note. Since we know that to the left of these two black keys is a C, we have C, D, E, F, G. So we know that this is a G. So with that, you know how to name all of the keys, the white keys at least, on the piano. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.